سلام رفقا، چطورید؟ من هستم توی هستم به یه چالش تیک تاکی، اونم از نوع زوجین. آقا زوجین این ویدیو رو ببینن، اونایی که ریل هستن، اونایی که سینگل هستن، مثلا من این ویدیو رو ببینن. ولی ببینید آقا امروز خواهم یه ویدیوی خفن تیک تاکی ببینیم که اینجوریه: تو یا طرف مقابلت بهت میگه دوستت دارم و اینکه نباید بهش جوابشو بدی، یعنی بهت میگه دوستت دارم، میگی باشه مرسی. اسم این چالش not saying I love you back to my girlfriend or boyfriend. دیدی چه قشنگ انگلیسی میخونم؟ بچه اگه دوست داشتید حتما وسط ویدیو لایک بزنید، کامنت بذارید، اگه چنل سابسکرایب کنید. بریم با هم دیگه چالش نگو دوستت دارم. فارسیش چی بگم؟ مثلا بگم که بریم با هم دیگه چالش بهش نگو دوستت دارم رو ببینیم. چه چیز؟ بریم برو بریم.
Not saying I love you to see how she reacts.
I love you.
Okay, see you in a sec.
What do you mean, Kay? I love you.
I'll see you in a sec.
I love you.
Awesome.
No,
منتظر جوابشو بده دیگه، منم دوست دارم.
I love you. I'm not your
جوابشو
sister.
نمیده.
No, I love you. Say it back.
Say what back?
I love you. You don't love me?
I love you.
Why
I
would you
love
not
you.
say it? Okay, you have to come with me, Noah.
Look at this.
That's not fair.
She doesn't even.
Why are you recording?
Not saying I love you back to my girlfriend.
I love you.
Yep.
میگه I love you، میگه
I'll be back in like an hour. Okay.
Okay. Alright, I love you.
Yeah. See you later.
منتظر جواب بشنوه.
Here. How long did you say?
Like an hour. I'll be back.
میگه فهمیدی؟ میگه
Alright. I love you.
Yes.
منتظر جوابه.
Bye. I'll be right back.
Why can't you?
یعنی اینقدر پیگیری شما دخترها، منتظر جواب منم دوستت دارم. این فکر میکردم واسهتون مهم نیست.
Oh, come on. We're wasting time.
Just say I love you to me.
I'll
would
be
you say
right
it?
back. Can you close the door? Come on.
No. Luke,
What?
what if something happens and you didn't say I love you?
Oh my god.
میگه چی شده؟ من بهت میگم دوستت دارم، تو جوابم نمیدی.
Nothing's gonna happen. Let's go.
Babe,
Come on, I gotta go.
not
I'll
until
be
you say I
right
love you.
back.
چقدر پیگیر. بس دیگه، حالا برو دیگه. دوستت دارم بگی.
Love you.
Love you. من گفتم خداحافظ.
Love you. Bitch, I love you.
I love you.
That's my thought.
طاقت نیاورد.
I'll be back later, okay?
هی پسر یه خورده اذیتش میکردی حداقل.
Babe, have a good day. Drive safe. Text me when you get there, yeah? What are you trying to eat for dinner? Chipotle? Yeah. Alright, drive safe. Text me when you get there.
I love you.
Text me when you get there, babe. Bye.
منتظر جواب.
What? Babe, I love you! Don't say fuck you! Babe, I love you!
فلان fuck you.
Alright, honey. I'll be downstairs in a minute.
I love you so much.
Okay, I'll be down in a minute, I said.
I said I love you so much.
Yeah, you too. No. Okay, I'm
چرا اینا پیگیرم منتظر جواب
I
هستن.
want to hear it one more time.
I love you. Okay, I'm really sorry.
Not saying I love you back when she's leaving.
I'm gonna go out. I'll be back when you're with the girls, but I love you.
Okay.
Okay.
What do you mean, Kay? I love you.
Yeah, fashion.
Okay.
Ryan!
What?
I wanted to go with the girls for fun, and now you're gonna make me not want to go out with the girls because you're being mean. I'm just gonna cry with them if you're not gonna say I love you back. Ryan, you're just not gonna say anything. You're so mean. Please, I love you. Why are you mad at me? What did I do? Ryan, what did I do? Ryan, what did I do?
این چه کاری حالا؟
Have fun.
Well, I mean, I can have fun with you if you're gonna be like that.
یا
Will this make me
خدا. در برد جای باریک.
Here, babe, I'll come back for you. I love you.
Bye.
بای.
I love you.
Bye.
I love you.
بای. گفتم بای.
Bye.
بای.
Have a good trip.
Say I love you.
Have a nice time.
یا خدا اومد
Why are you not saying you love me?
Hmm?
Why are you not saying you love me?
What?
چه دوست نداری؟
You're not saying that you love me.
Huh?
Whatever.
فکر کنم حامله باشه. رفت.
I love you. Say it!
بگو دیگه لعنتی.
What?
I'm leaving.
Love you.
Okay, bye.
Love you.
بای.
Love you.
چه پیگیر گفت من دارم میرم خداحافظ. اون گفت دوستت دارم. این جواب دوستت دارمو نداد. نگفت منم دوستت دارم. اومد در رو باز کرد که بگه چرا نگفتی من دوستت دارم. یعنی خیلی واسه تو مهمه.
Yeah, I'm just going to the supermarket. I'll be right
Okay.
back.
I'll see you soon. Bye.
I love you.
Bye.
الان برمیگرد.
I love you.
You too. Bye.
I love you.
Yes. I know you do.
Why aren't you saying it back?
What do you mean?
I love you.
You too. I'll see you
to say you
soon.
too. I want to hear the whole thing. I love you.
Okay, bye.
What if I die?
I'll be
Your last
very,
words will be you too.
I'll be very sad.
Yeah, I would. I love you.
Okay, I'll see you soon. Bye.
Babe, if I walk out this door right now, I'm not
میخواد
coming
از سر
back if
دل
you
I
don't
love
say I
you
love you.
بشنوه.
Okay, bye.
I love you.
Wow. Okay, bye.
Okay, bye.
Later. Love you.
اوه. این سری دختر راه.
Did I love you, Espe? I don't know, man. Hey, why you not saying it back, Espe? Why you not telling me I love you back? Huh? What did I do now? You know, this lets me know that I can go in peace and come back in peace, Espe. You gotta let me know. You gotta affirm the situation, Espe. What day is it?
این چه روزیه؟
Oh, the start of every month, the same thing. Bueno, just say I love you. I'll bring you back some Starbucks, some sushi, whatever, and we all go.
Ojalá
Just
más
say it so I
familia,
can work my appointment.
I love you, baby.
Damn, was that so hard, bro? Like, all right,
Don't forget the sushi.
yes.
میگفت که چرا اینجوری شدی؟ من بدم میگم I love you. چرا بهم بک نمیدی؟ نمیگی I love you too. منم دوستت دارم. امروز چه روزیه؟ نکنه امروز از اون روزای ماه. خدا. بس. بیادب نشو حسام.
I'm out of here.
Alright.
I love you. I love you.
Love you.
Hello. I love you.
I love you.
What's the problem?
Mhm.
What's wrong?
Nothing.
What's going on?
Nothing.
Why are you mad?
I'm not mad.
Why are you mad?
I'm not mad.
I love you.
قیافه‌شو دوست دارم.
Why are you laughing?
بابا برو بگیرش اونو صداش کن. بنده خدا الان حالش خوب نیست. باید حداقل بذار این فکرش یه ذره مشغول نباشه. الان میره سر کار به خوش فکر میکنه که چرا بهم نگفت دوستت دارم، چرا بهم جواب دوستت دارمو نداد.
لعنت بر شما، لعنت بر شما.
I'm not gonna take too long. I love you. I love you.
موهاشو I love you.
Jenny. What you mean, girl? I said I love you.
موهاش باحال.
So you didn't hear me say I love you? Like bye?
بوینس.
So you got to look. Come on, bro. Nah, I'm not leaving until you say that.
خیلی
What if I don't
باحال
come back?
زمین
What if
سیاه
what if something
Relaxation خیلی
crazy happened
باحاله.
out there, and the last thing you remember is you ain't even tell your man you love me?
You know I do.
So let me hear it. I want to hear it. It sounds good. It tickles my ears when you say it. Let me hear it.
I like you.
I like you.
Love you.
اوه پلیسه.
Hey, I love you.
Hi, I love you. بطری پرتاب کرد. چت شد.
Man, you know, every time we get out this house, we always say "I love you" to each other. Why won't you say "I love you" to me? Why won't you say "I love you" to me? Man, can you say "I love you"? Can you please say "I love you"? You don't love me no more. I don't do it for you no more. Can you say "I love you"?
I love you.
Yes, همینه.
Bye. I love you, Papa. I know.
You're supposed to say "I love you" back.
I know.
خیلی حس بدیه.
Why I said "I love you"? You're supposed to say "I love you" back.
بخوای سرد
I
برخورد
know you
کنی.
love me.
You're supposed to say "I love you"
میگه
back.
I love you میگه میدونم.
Yeah.
Why?
Just say "love you" back.
خجالت بکش. خجالت بکش پسر.
Okay, see ya. See ya, have fun.
Hey, I
Yeah,
love you.
see ya.
I love you.
Okay, have fun.
Why are you saying it back?
Have a good gym day.
I love you.
The AC is hot.
No, you always complaining.
Come on, I love you, please.
Aw.
I mean, aw.
Oh.
I said I love you. Why are you saying aw to me?
And I said,
دوستت کنده
No,
است.
what are you? What? What's that aw for? I said I love you.
and I said, "Oh."
Yo, get back over here
Not
before
stay
I...
over there.
What? Come here now before I rip your head off.
خدایا کاش شما دختره اینو یاد
میگه
بگیرید.
بودم،
اینقدر
میگه
پیگیر
بودم،
باشید.
میگه
اینقدر پیگیر باشید. یه خورده یاد بگیرید.
Stay over there.
بلکنش. وای. یه خورده شما دختره ایرانی یاد بگیرین. بهتون میگی دوست دارم میگه مرسی. جواب دوست دارم مرسیه. دلم خونه. درست میشه. امیدوارم.
All right, sounds good, babe. Bye.
بای.
I'll see you in a little bit.
Love you. الان میگه love you.
I know, babe. I know.
میدونم.
Why are you not saying that?
بدترین جواب همین میدونمه. بهت بگی دوست دارم. بهش بگی دوست دارم. اونم بگه میدونم.
Alright, bye, baby. I'll see you soon.
Alright, bye, babe.
Hope it's too long. I love you.
Alright, bye.
I love you.
دختره.
Bye.
What do you mean, bye? I said I love you.
Bye. I'll see you later.
I love you. I
Bye.
love you.
Bye.
دخترن دیگه حالا.
Please say it back.
I love you.
چه ذوقی هم کرد. دختر با دختر چه ذوقی هم میکنه وقتی بهش جواب داد.
I love you.
Awesome.
Come here.
I had to go. I had to go. Why?
Come here.
No,
Listen.
I gotta go.
I love you. Okay.
ای جونم.
I love you.
عشق به این میگن.
I love you.
I love you, God.
You love me?
Yeah, ow.
Let's say it next time.
See ya.
Love you.
Have fun.
Love you.
Have fun, babe. Have fun.
I love you, Eric.
Okay.
Why aren't you saying it?
What do you mean?
You don't love me anymore?
I do love you.
Then say it.
I love you. Have fun.
Then I need you to say it before I leave.
بغضی.
All right. Bye,
Oh, I
sweetie.
missed
Have
that.
fun. Bye, sweetie.
پشت شلوارش
What?
چیه؟ چه شلواریه این؟ شلوارم نیست. این چیه اصلا کلا میشه بهم بگی؟ بری بپوشی بری تو خیابون همه میگن که ریدی. خودتو جمعش کن.
Fun. Bye, sweetie. What? Bye, sweetie. What? Whoa.
من ریدم تو این شلوارکه.
I said it. Bye.
No.
Bye, sweetie.
I'm gonna try this again. Okay.
Uh-huh.
Store. I'm not coming back ever again. I may not ever come back. Okay.
Okay.
میگه
Yeah.
من میرم برگردم. دوباره نشنوم که اینجوری مسائل روز بری. ولی اون چه شلوارکی بود خدا وکیلی.
Bye. Have fun. Don't forget the pickles. What? Have fun, baby. I said don't forget the pickles.
I love you.
Okay, baby. Have fun.
I love you.
Okay. Oh my. I love you.
چقدر شما پیگیرین با خدا.
Not saying I love you back to my girlfriend to see her reaction.
I'm going to say it to you.
Alright, see ya.
Bye, love you.
See ya.
Love you.
See ya.
You.
Why don't you say I love you?
What? I'm playing.
I said I love you.
Hold on, I'm playing.
You always say I love you.
I'm trying to play this. You're getting in the way.
Say I love you.
See ya.
It's literally not that hard. Just say it.
Okay,
چقدر
love you,
بگی
bye.
دوست دارم.
Okay.
Gosh, what does it matter?
I'm not coming back. So.
میگه من برمیگردم. از اوناست که برگرده جیرت بده. خدا به دادت برسه.
Good.
Yeah. I love you, baby.
Are those good, babe?
I love you, boo.
I know, but those taste good, babe.
Say it back.
Okay, babe. Do those taste good? Answer the question,
I
dang.
didn't say it back.
Can I have some?
No, say it back.
Hey, just throw a Cheeto on my head. Babe, stop.
Hey.
Say I love you
Babe,
back.
just give me a
Say I love
Cheeto.
you. Say I love you back.
Babe, give me a Cheeto.
No. You want a Cheeto?
Yeah.
You want a Cheeto? Here's your Cheeto.
بخور تو سرت.
No! Say I love you back.
Babe, I want it.
Here's your Cheeto. Say I love you.
No.
من دلم واسه اینا سوخت. تو خدا بهش میگه I love you. I love you. I love you. رفقا مرسی که تا اینجا ویدیو رو نگاه کردید. امیدوارم که خوشتون اومده باشه. اگه خوشتون اومده حتما لایک کنید. اگر هم خوشتون نیومده که لایک کنید که بهم کمک بشه بیام بالاتر ویدیوهای خفن‌تری بزنم، انرژی بگیرم، ویدیوم بازدید بخوره. و اینکه یه کامنت هم حتما بذار که بازدیداتون نریزه. انگلیسی باشه که چه بهتر. بوس بهتون اگه انگلیسی باشه. انگلیسی هم نباشه دوباره بوس بهتون. خیلی عشق. میبینم همیشه کامنت میذارید. کامنتاتون انرژی واقعا. و اگر هم جدید هستی منو برای اولین بار میبینی، من هستم توی هستم. اون چنل من سابسکرایب کن و زنگولم بزن که هر موقع ویدیو میذارم با خبر بشی. تا ویدیو بعدی یه بوس دیگه. دوستتون دارم. پیس.